In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save tab groups in Google Chrome. This is a fantastic feature that can significantly enhance your browsing experience, especially if you find yourself juggling multiple tasks and want a streamlined way to organize your tabs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open all the tabs you intend to save. Now, this could be a collection of sites related to a particular project. Maybe you're planning a trip, or perhaps you're gathering resources for a research paper. Whatever your needs, it's helpful to have all these tabs neatly arranged together. Once you've got them open, move over to any one of these tabs and right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up, and you'll want to hover over the option labeled Add Tab to Group. From the sub-menu, select New Group. This is where the magic begins, as you now have the opportunity to give your group a meaningful name. Maybe you call it Work, Shopping, or Research, something that immediately communicates what's in this tab collection. Additionally, you'll get to pick a color, which can be an excellent visual cue that helps you quickly locate and differentiate among your tab groups. Once you've got your tab group named and colored, it's time to save it so you can easily access it later on. You do this by right-clicking on the new name or the colored circle that represents your group in the tab bar. Again, a menu will appear, and you'll want to look for an option called Save Group. There should be a toggle next to this option. Click it to activate it. The toggle will turn on, indicating that your tab group is now saved. Once saved, this group will appear as an icon on the left side of your bookmarks bar. It will display the name and color you chose earlier, making it straightforward to find whenever you need it. This not only helps keep your desktop tidy, but also allows you to jump back into your tasks with ease, seamlessly picking up where you left off. This can be particularly useful if you often close your browser and want to avoid the hassle of reopening individual tabs every time. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've made your browsing life a whole lot easier. Saving tab groups in Google Chrome is a powerful way to keep your online activities organized, improve productivity, and enhance your overall browsing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks.